In the world of technology, 2013 was a time of rapid innovation. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, had captured the imagination of many. Amidst this excitement, a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin envisioned something revolutionary. He believed blockchain could be used for much more than just digital currency. Buterin published the Ethereum white paper in late 2013. These applications, known as dApps, would be powered by smart contracts. This vision captured the attention of developers and entrepreneurs worldwide. This marked the beginning of Ethereum's journey. After months of development, Ethereum launched its mainnet in July 2015. This marked a pivotal moment in blockchain history. The world witnessed the birth of a platform that could revolutionize industries. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, Ether, or ETH, quickly gained traction. It served as fuel for the network, enabling users to execute smart contracts and interact with dApps. Developers embraced Ethereum with open arms. They were eager to explore the potential of this new technology. Smart contracts opened up a world of possibilities. They allowed for the creation of decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and prediction markets. These dApps promised to disrupt traditional financial systems. They offered greater transparency, security, and accessibility. The launch of Ethereum also marked the beginning of a new era of blockchain innovation. Developers from all over the world came together to build on the platform. They collaborated on open-source projects. They shared ideas. This collaborative spirit became a defining characteristic of the Ethereum community. As Ethereum gained popularity, it also faced challenges. In 2016, the DAO hack shook the Ethereum community. The DAO was a decentralized venture capital fund built on Ethereum. It had raised millions of dollars from investors. A vulnerability in its code was exploited, resulting in significant theft. The DAO hack was a defining moment for Ethereum. It exposed the risks associated with smart contracts. The Ethereum community was divided on how to respond. Some argued for a hard fork to reverse the hack. Others believed it would undermine blockchain immutability. Ultimately, the community decided to proceed with a hard fork. This created a new version of the Ethereum blockchain, known as Ethereum, or ETH. The original blockchain became known as Ethereum Classic, or ETC. As more and more dApps were built on Ethereum, the network began to experience growing pains. Transaction fees soared, and transaction times became increasingly slow. This highlighted the limitations of Ethereum's proof-of-work consensus mechanism. It struggled to handle the growing demand. To address these scalability challenges, the Ethereum community embarked on an ambitious upgrade path known as Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0, also known as Serenity, aims to improve the network's scalability, security, and sustainability. The upgrade involves a transition from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This will enable Ethereum to process more transactions per second while reducing energy consumption. The transition to Ethereum 2.0 is a complex process. It is being rolled out in phases. Section 5. DeFi Summer and the NFT Boom. Ethereum's transformative impact. While Ethereum was undergoing its technological transformation, it was also experiencing a surge in mainstream adoption. In 2020, the decentralized finance, or DeFi movement exploded in popularity. DeFi applications built primarily on Ethereum offered users new ways to lend, borrow, and trade cryptocurrencies without the need for traditional financial intermediaries. The DeFi boom showcased the transformative potential of Ethereum's technology. It demonstrated how blockchain could disrupt traditional financial systems and empowered individuals with greater control over their assets. Alongside DeFi, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, emerged as another groundbreaking use case for Ethereum. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital or physical items. They quickly gained popularity in the art, gaming, and collectibles industries. Section 6. Navigating the Ethereum landscape. dApps, Layer 2s, and beyond. Today, Ethereum is a thriving ecosystem of dApps, protocols, and communities. Thousands of dApps are now live on the Ethereum blockchain, offering a wide range of services. These include decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, prediction markets, games, and more. The Ethereum community is constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. To address the ongoing scalability challenges, Layer 2 solutions have emerged as a crucial part of the Ethereum ecosystem. These solutions sit on top of the Ethereum mainnet, enabling faster and cheaper transactions. Popular Layer 2 solutions include optimistic rollups, ZK rollups, and sidechains. They are playing a vital role in enhancing Ethereum's usability. Section 7. The future of Ethereum. Upgrades, innovations, and a decentralized world. As Ethereum enters its 10th year, the future looks bright. The Ethereum community is actively working on a roadmap of upgrades and innovations. These aim to further enhance the platform's scalability, security, and functionality. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the implementation of sharding. Sharding is a technique that will divide the Ethereum blockchain into multiple smaller chains, known as shards. This will significantly increase the network's capacity to process transactions. Another area of active research and development is Ethereum's transition to a more sustainable future. The move to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism is a major step in this direction. The Ethereum community is also exploring other sustainability initiatives, such as the use of renewable energy sources. Chapter 8. Section 8. Ethereum's impact on industries. Transforming traditional systems. Ethereum's impact extends far beyond the world of finance and technology. The platform has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. In supply chain management, Ethereum can be used to track goods as they move from origin to consumer, improving transparency and accountability. In healthcare, Ethereum can enable secure and efficient sharing of medical records, empowering patients with greater control over their data. The potential applications of Ethereum are vast and continue to expand as the technology matures. From government and voting systems to identity management and digital rights, Ethereum is poised to play a transformative role in shaping a more decentralized and equitable future. Section 9. Challenges and opportunities. Navigating the evolving crypto landscape. Despite its remarkable progress, Ethereum faces ongoing challenges. Scalability remains a key concern as the network continues to experience periods of congestion and high transaction fees. Regulatory uncertainty also poses a challenge as governments around the world grapple with how to regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation and growth. The Ethereum community is constantly working on solutions to improve scalability, security, and user experience. As the regulatory landscape evolves, it is likely to provide greater clarity and foster further adoption of Ethereum and other blockchain technologies. Section 10. Conclusion. Ethereum's enduring legacy. 9 years after its launch, Ethereum has established itself as a cornerstone of the blockchain revolution. From its humble beginnings as a visionary's dream, Ethereum has evolved into a global ecosystem of developers, entrepreneurs, and users, all united by a shared belief in the transformative power of decentralized technology. As Ethereum continues to evolve and mature, it is poised to play an even greater role in shaping the future of finance, technology, and society as a whole. Its legacy as a pioneer of the decentralized web is secure, and its potential for positive impact remains boundless.